I went into Barnes & Noble looking for one book, and I came out with 5. Hey, I'm Toni J, and today I'm going to show you all the books that I got from Barnes & Noble. It was a sale. I had no idea it was going to be a sale. I decided to go to Barnes & Noble to see if they had a particular book that I've been looking for a while. I really want the hardcover, but I ended up getting the soft cover. But as I was looking online, I saw that they had another book that I wanted. So I was like, cool, they have it in stock. Let me just go there. So I go into Barnes & Noble, and I haven't been there in a long time. And it was packed. It was like so full. And I'm thinking like maybe there was some type of book signing or something happening. But the line was so long. It was just crowded everywhere. I've never been in a bookstore and it was just packed. So as I'm walking through Barnes & Noble looking for my book, I saw that there was a sale going on that was 50% off of hardcovers, and then another one that was in store only that was like a third off of hardcovers. So I was like, oh, okay, that's why people are in here. So the book that I was looking for that I finally got is Legendborn by Tracy Dion, and I've been hearing a lot of good things about this book, and I was really excited. I wanted the hardcover, but when I saw in the section where this book was, all the hardcovers were gone. Of course, it was a sale, but I remember seeing this online and it was really, really pretty. I love the cover. Like, look at this cover. And I really like the hardcover and I wanted it, but I'm okay with this. And look how thick it is. But yeah, so I got this. So another book that I've been looking for is The Perfect Marriage by Jeneva Rose, and there was a collector's edition that she just came out with. And look how cool this is. So the original book has like 2 rings on it, but this one has all these blood splotches on it, and look at the pages. This is so cool. Like, look at this. So of course I had to get it. I love thrillers. I've been reading self-help books for years now, and I haven't read a fiction book in such a long time. So last year I started reading thrillers again, and I'm just back into my reading game. So I thought that this was beautiful. Like, look at this artwork. I love how they designed this book cover. It looks like crumpled paper, and the blood on the pages that's what sold me. And even when you take off the sleeve, like, it has extra design on it. So that was really cool. The other book that I wanted to get by Jeneva Rose is Home is Where the Bodies Are, and Barnes & Noble had an exclusive edition, and I've been looking at this online for the longest time. As soon as I saw this being advertised online, I was super excited to get it. I wasn't sure if it was like a limited amount or whatever, since it's an exclusive edition to Barnes & Noble, but I'm so happy I got it. So what's cool about this book is that the sleeve is like a cover of a VHS tape. So, you know, the VHS tapes where we, you know, have to slide them into the sleeve. So this is what the cover looks like. It looks like a tape. And this is another thriller book, and I'm super excited, but I really like this part of the design. So super happy about that. So I was really happy with these 3. I wasn't expecting to get these, but I did. But I decided to walk around and see what else they had. As I was walking around Barnes & Noble, I saw a whole bunch of these books sitting on a table, and it had a little sign that said signed copy. So I went over there and I looked through all the books for the signed edition, and I finally found one. It had a sticker, and I got the signed copy of The Heaven and Earth Grocery Store by James McBride. I've seen people talk about this book online and just decided to check it out. I couldn't remember like exactly what it was because it was just so chaotic in the store. I was just like, let me grab it and go. But I got this, and then I did some research after, and it turns out that, you know, this is a really good book, so I'm excited to read this. This is a historical fiction book, and I haven't read a historical fiction book in such a long time. And the last book that I found as I was looking around Barnes & Noble waiting for the lines to go down was Ikigai. This is a book that I've had on my wish list for about 2 years, and I always keep a little diagram on my whiteboard when I'm trying to figure things out, and so now I have the book so I can really dive into it and learn more. But yeah, I thought this was really cute. I love the cover. I love how it feels, and it has the it has a chart on the back of it, which is really cool. So yeah, I went into Barnes & Noble looking for one book and I came out with 5. I'm super excited to be reading more this year. I'll be talking about each book that I read on this channel. I'll be doing book reviews and I'll probably be going live doing book sprints, so I'm really excited about that. So let me know in the comments if you have read any of these books and how you feel about them. No spoilers, please, for the thrillers. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.